students, welcome back in your physics class today. Today we are going to discuss eddy current and its application. So let's see the definition first of eddy current. An eddy current is current set up in a conductor in response to a changing magnetic field. Means this current is produced or induced whenever there is change in magnetic field is there. They flow in closed loop in a plane perpendicular to the magnetic field. By Lenge's law, the current swirl in such a way to create a magnetic field in opposing nature. You see the diagram is there. Eddy current, coil is there, primary magnetic field, then eddy current, opposing magnetic field. Mean whenever there is a AC supply is there, alternating current is there. So change in flux, changing flux means induced current will produced. We having some application now of eddy current in the electric brake. You can say in the brake of train also we can use during braking. The brakes expose the metal wheel to magnetic field which generate eddy current in the wheels. This also very important concept nowadays we are using in the train. So eddy current with the help of eddy current. Another one we having electromagnetic damping. This also very important concept. Used to design deadbeat galvanometers. Usually the needles oscillate a little about its equilibrium position before it comes to the rest. This causes a delay in taking the reading. So to avoid this delay, the coil is bound over a non-magnetic metallic frame. So this is another important application. Then we having electric power meters. Eddy current also used in electric power meters. The shiny metal disc in the electric power meter rotate due to eddy currents. The magnetic field induces the electric current in the disc. You can also absorb this by shining at the your home also this part. Then induction furnace we can use. This also used in induction furnace in a rapidly changing magnetic field due to a large EMF produced, large eddy current are set up. Eddy currents produce temperature, so a large current is created there. Another very important application is speedometer. To know the speed of any vehicle, these current are used. Speedometer consists of a magnet which keeps rotating according to the speed of our vehicle, and this device is already installed in all vehicles, just like bikes, cars. Okay, so this is all about today. Now one question is for you. Eddy current are produced in metallic conductor when different options are given. The magnetic flux link with the changes is placed in changing magnetic field, placed in the magnetic field, both A and B. So I hope you all understand. If any doubt, you can discuss. Thank you. I hope you all understand these topics. If any doubt, you can discuss with me. Thank you. Thank you very much.